everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be this really super dramatic half-cut crease using a lot of different colors from this Urban Bible palette. If you haven't seen this palette, this is the palette here. So it comes with 16 different colors. Definitely kind of like a mixture of like your neutrals and plenty of pops of color. And this is the look I came up with. I added a glitter liner just to make it look a little pretty and a little sparkly, but all the shadows I used are from this palette here. And if you want to see what I did, then please keep on watching. As always, I'm starting out by priming my eyes with a concealer. You can use any concealer you like, but I'm using the Inglot All Cover Concealer just to make the eyeshadows really pop. Then I'm taking the first color, which is the yellow from the palette in the shade Faith, and I'm placing that just at the kind of inner third of my eye, blending that up towards my eyebrow. Then to continue on with blending the eyeshadow, I'm taking the shade Majesty and I'm placing that on the kind of like a middle kind of inner corner of the eye, blending that out. And then as the eyeshadows kind of will swoop to the outer corner, they'll go a little bit darker. So I'm taking the shade Sacred Fire. If that makes any sense, so I'm basically going from yellow to orange to red, all in this kind of like a seamless blend. And these colors blend so nicely together. They're super easy to blend, and I feel like the pigmentation is absolutely fantastic for these colors. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Unruly and I'm going to be darkening up the outer corner and also my crease with this color. And I'm going to be building this color up quite heavily because it can go super dark, so you don't need to go in with too many colors. So I'm taking that on a blending brush and I'm really packing this on the outer corner. Now I'm using the same concealer I used as a base for my eyeshadows, and I'm carving out my crease with a really flat concealer brush, and I just want the half cut crease to really open up the eyes. So I'm taking my time making sure that the line is nice and straight, and I'm really packing on the concealer on the inner corner of the eye. And I'm also blending that out slightly. And then just to set the concealer, I'm using the white from the palette in the shade Veil. And this is just going to really brighten and open up the eyes for you. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes with the trusty old 77 gel liner from Inglot. And then just to really buff out that liner, I'm taking the shade Sin, which is a completely matte black eyeshadow. And I'm really diffusing out that liner at the outer corner, making sure I blend it into the Unruly color. Then I'm taking a latex-free duo glue and I'm going to be using that to stick on my glitter. So I'm really gently tracing out the outline of where I want my glitter to be. And I'm taking a really tiny little angle brush with silver glitter, or you can use any color glitter that you like. And I'm really gently just pressing that on the liner. Then I'm repeating the same process underneath of the eye, going in with the orange, which is Majesty, then Sacred Fire, and a little bit of Unruly on the lower lash line. And then I'm finishing off with really fluffy lashes, and you can use whatever lashes you'd like. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!